Are you satisfied with your current financial situation, or perhaps you're looking to improve it? We're about to unlock the potential of cash flow, envisioning it as a river. We'll explore strategies to make your financial river surge with abundance. Ready to dive in and make your cash flow river surge? Let's get started. First, identify your income opportunities. Think of them as tributaries feeding into your cash flow river. These opportunities could take the form of side hustles, such as starting a blog, selling handmade goods, or offering tutoring services. Maybe it's freelance gigs in your field of expertise or exploring investment possibilities. Every additional stream of income makes your cash flow river stronger and more robust. Transitioning from income, let's dive into optimizing your budget, which is akin to a well-designed dam. It's essential to plug unnecessary leaks, ensuring that your hard-earned money isn't trickling away unnoticed. This could mean reducing frivolous spending or canceling unused subscriptions. Allocate your income wisely, ensuring every dollar has a purpose. Maybe it's time to start that emergency fund or increase your retirement contributions. With these steps, you are not only adding to your income, but also ensuring that every dollar is working for you. Now let's look at your expenses. How can you make them more efficient? To streamline your expenses, start by trimming the fat. Unnecessary costs can sneak up and nibble away at your income, creating a significant drain over time. It's essential to regularly review and reassess your spending habits, cutting out what isn't needed. Next, negotiate your bills. Whether it's your internet, utilities, or insurance, there's usually room for negotiation. A simple phone call could result in substantial savings, so don't be shy to haggle a little. Finally, prioritize your needs over wants. It's crucial to discern between what's necessary and what's nice to have. This doesn't mean living a life of deprivation, but rather making smart decisions that prioritize your financial health. Switching gears, let's talk about negotiation. Whether it's lowering interest rates on loans or seeking discounts on services, negotiation can put more money back into your pocket. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar added to your cash flow. Debt can be a major obstacle in your cash flow river. But with the right strategy, you can overcome it. Strategic debt repayment strategies are like removing boulders from your river. Whether it's paying more than the minimum on your credit card bills, refinancing your mortgage, or consolidating your student loans, these strategies free up more money to contribute to your financial flow. Now, imagine adding more tributaries to your cash flow river. That's what exploring passive income streams is all about. These are sources of income that require minimal effort to maintain, like investments in stocks or real estate, rental income, or royalties from a book you've written or a patent you hold. These passive income streams can provide a continuous and effortless contribution, making your cash flow river stronger and more abundant. These strategies not only help you get rid of debt, but also create a continuous and effortless contribution to your cash flow. Relying on a single income source is risky, but diversification can create resilience in your financial flow. Think of it as populating your cash flow river with diverse sources of income, each contributing their share to the overall financial current. Side hustles, investments, rental income, royalties, these are but a few tributaries that can feed your cash flow river. In conclusion, steering your cash flow towards a surge is about more than just making more money. It's about identifying opportunities, optimizing your budget, streamlining expenses, negotiating better deals, and deploying strategic debt repayment. And let's not forget the power of passive income and diversification. Continuously educating yourself is key to navigating these financial currents. Implementing these simple strategies can help you witness a surge in your cash flow, creating a stronger and more prosperous financial river. Now it's your turn to steer your financial journey toward success.